Hello everyone, welcome to Data Engineers Academy. In this video, we are discussing about interview questions on lists in Python. Let us see the questions. Our first question is how to create a list in Python. A list in Python is a collection of items stored in a single variable. It can contain numbers, strings, booleans, or even other lists. Let us create a list practically. Here we can see I have initialized my list equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 and then printed my list. And this is our new list. And we will move into next question. How to access list elements? Python uses indexing, which starts from 0. Python also supports negative indexing, which let us access elements from the end. Negative indexing is useful when you want to access elements from the back of the list. You can also extract a portion of the list using slicing. Now we will see practically how to access elements in a list. Here I am accessing elements in a list by using index. This is my list. In this my list, 10, 20, 30, 40 are the elements and their following indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here I am returning 0th index and second index. Let us see the result. 0th element is 10 and second element is 30. Here I am accessing elements from the end in a list using negative indexing. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 are the elements in my list and negative indexing starts from the right side. Starts from right to left. The element 50 will get -1 and follows by -2, -3, -4 and -5. Here I am printing elements with the negative index -1 and -3. Let us see the result. Here we can see the result is 50, 30. -1 index is 50 and -3 index is 30. We can also access multiple elements in a list using slicing. We can also say this as range slicing. Here in this list we have elements 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. In this print statement I am printing elements in between the range of 1 and 4. Let me run this. The first statement prints 20, 30, 40 because 20, 20 is the first index, 30 is the second index, and 40 is the third index. You should always remember in range slicing, the, the last number will not come. And in the second print statement, :3 will returns the elements from the starting until the third index. 0, 1, 2, 3. So we can get 20, 10, 20, 30. And same as in the third print statement also. It will return all the elements starting from the second index 0, 1, 2. So here we can see 30, 40, 50. Let us move to next question. How to reverse a list? We have three different methods to reverse a list. Using reverse method, the simplest way to reverse a list is by using the reverse method. It modifies the list in place. And the next method is using slicing. If you don't want to modify the original list and you need to reverse a list, you can use slicing to create a reversed copy. And the third method is using reversed method. Another way is using Python's built-in reversed function, which returns an iterator that we can convert into a list. Let us see practically one by one. Here we are reversing the list using reverse method. I just used mylist.reverse method and then printing mylist. Let me run this. Here we can see mylist having values 10, 20, 30, 40, and the new list is reversed. Now we are reversing a list using slicing. It will create a new list by using colon colon minus 1. Let me run this. See here the new reversed list is came. And now we are using reversed method. Here I just use a list of reversed of my list and then printing new reversed list. Let me run this. See here we get the new reversed list. Let us move to next question. The next question is how to sort a list. Sorting helps organize data, making it easier to search, analyze, and process. Whether you are dealing with numbers, words, or complex data structures, sorting is a fundamental skill. We have two different methods to sort a list, using sort method and using sorted method. The sort method sorts the list in ascending order by default and modifies the original list. Using sorted method, if you don't want to modify the original list, the sorted function will create a new list. Let us see it practically. See here we are using dot sort method. I just simply write my list dot sort method and then printing my list. Let me run this. Here we can see the list is sorted into ascending order. As I said before, dot sort method always sort the list by default ascending, and then using sorted method, it returns a new sorted list. Here we can see I just write it sorted of my list and then printing this sorted list. Here we can see this is the sorted list and this is the original my list. Let us move to next question. How to remove duplicates from a list in Python? We have three different ways to remove duplicates from a list in Python. Using set method removes the duplicates faster and simple, but it does not preserve the order. You can also remove duplicates using a loop. It is efficient and it preserves order. And you can also remove duplicates from a list using dictionary keys, the dig.from keys method. Let me show you how this will be done. Here I am having 10, 20, 30, again 20, 40, 10, 50 values in my list. Here I am having 10 and 20 as the duplicates. Now I want to remove these duplicates from my list. I am just using set method. It returns a new unique list. Let me run this. See here we can see 40, 10, 50, 20, 30. Duplicates are removed. And then using a loop to remove duplicate from a list. My list contains 10, 20, 30, 20, 40, 10, 50 elements. Now I am using for loop to print a new unique list to remove duplicates from my list. Let me run this. See here we can see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The duplicates are removed. And now using dig dot from keys, I'm removing duplicates from list. My list equal to 10, 20, 30, 20, 40, 10, 50. And unique list equal to list of dig dot from keys of my list. And then printing unique list. Let me run this. See here the duplicates are removed from my list. Thank you.